The top 10 genius recipes of all time. From oven-fried chicken tactics to the most renowned tomato sauce on the internet, these are your favorites. This is a good opportunity to reflect on the most well-liked recipes in the world. Please tell us in the comment section below which genius recipes do you think should have made the top 10. Number 10. Basic hummus. This is the incredibly smooth hummus that, as a result of this success, inspired a lot more people to make their own hummus. The majority of homemade hummus recipes call for cooking dry chickpeas for 1.5 to 2 hours. In 20 to 40 minutes, ottolenghi and tamimis are finished and without having to peel the chickpeas by hand. Number 9. Cauliflower soup. This recipe sounds like it should taste bad. It's from cauliflower, onion, and a whole lot of water. The natural pectin in cauliflower does the work of whipping up creamy and smooth as all get out, but Paul Bertolli knows exactly how to make a vegetable become the best it can be. Number 8. Caramelized cream eggs. This egg recipe may alter your perspective on cooking most other ingredients as well, in addition to eggs. Because there are numerous reasons why we should be sizzling everything from eggplant to greens to mashed potatoes in pure heavy cream rather than butter or oil. Number 7. Ratatouille. This ratatouille fusses only where it needs to fuss. Unlike certain traditional ratatouilles that call for cooking each vegetable separately, I wouldn't do that to you. Are layered, fancy pants versions you may have seen in movies over the eggplant. Number 6. Olive oil cake. You only need to whisk a few ingredients together to make the ideal olive oil cake that will make you distrust all others. When loose leaf olive oil is your star, no whipping, folding, or creaming is necessary. In addition to serving it in muffin shape, Maialino occasionally transforms it into a birthday cake by layering mascarpone buttercream on top. If you choose to prepare Michel Polzine's slow-roasted strawberries, which you can find here, you will receive bonus points as we buddied them in Genius Desserts. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and enable the notification bell. Number 5. Atlantic Beach Pie. The iconic North Carolina lemon pie has been given a sweet salty makeover that is as relaxed and beachy as summer should be. Bill Smith has taken to dubbing this pie "That Stupid Pie," because it seems to be the topic of conversation for everyone. Number 4. Tomato sauce with onion and butter. This is the recipe that started it all. With just 3 ingredients, you can permanently alter your perspective on how to prepare spaghetti sauce. Then, share this with all of your friends. Number 3. The oven-fried chicken. You can prepare the greatest fried chicken you can without actually frying it by putting some chicken in a salted ice bath in the morning. The recipe only asks for 2 tablespoons of butter. Number 2. Eggs with soy sauce. You can have the most exciting breakfast on the go, lunch perker, and late-night snack all week long if you make a batch of them on Sunday. These eggs can be used in 1,000 different ways. They are excellent on their own as a snack, or on an English muffin, in pasta, or sliced up and put into a salad. Number 1. One-pan pasta. Without pre-boiling the water, this pasta cooks completely in one pan and produces its own sauce in just 9 minutes. We also have further information on the background of this pasta's internet fame, which began with a visit to the rear of a restaurant in a little Italian town after a few glasses of wine.